Hello friends, welcome to Bit Learning Club. So in this interesting tutorial, I will show you how can you get the all details of the location. So you have to put the location name like Newtown, Kolkata, India, anything. So this is uh, one example. So you can like Dhaka. So you have to type the query Los Angeles, London, and anything. So just going to the Chrome, and I already have a made on video opencasedata.com, and at that video I'll show you how can you get the details by using the latitude and longitude. But this time this video will be more interesting because this time we will just put the location name and we will get everything about the location. So here is the opencasedata.com, and I just put the link in the description box. You can also check the previous video. So you have to go to the opencase.com and just log in and going to dashboard. And guys, this is somehow free and 2500 API response per day. It's allowed, which allow up to 2500 API response per day for testing. This is absolutely more than enough. So yes, you can use it. So for it, you have to go to dashboard and just go to geocoding API and just scroll down and you can see here API key. Just create your own API key. So this is my API key and don't share API key with others. So just copy this. This is your API key. Now open the code editor. So at first you have to install the OpenCage. So yeah, I will install it. So just open the CMD. So pip install OpenCage. But in my case, already satisfied. So if you need to install it, then install it. So just open it. So at first, just import. So from OpenCage dot geocoder, import OpenCage geocoder. So now just create a variable key and just paste your API key. This is the variable. And now create again a variable named geocoder, C-O-C-O-D-E, a geocoder equal OpenCage, this function, and just pass the key. And now you can also write here key equal whatever your key is, just put it here. But yes, I already made the variable. So that's why I passed the key. So now just create a variable named query. So here put your query. You can use the input also. So user will input the query. So you can use it in your any project like building the website. So if you need it, how to build the website with OpenCage data, I will create that for you. So, but if you see this video, you can create easily because we will have the all data. So after that, you just have to do design. So just focus on this video at first. So here you have to type the query. So you can also use the Python input here, input, but I just leave it to you. So if you want to use, then you can use. Then also create a variable result. Result equal to this variable geocoder already imported, already created, and then dot geocode. Okay. So you have to now pass the query. Also here you can type query equal whatever your query is, but I already made this variable query here. So now here you have to print whatever you want. So print and now so for this I just use pp print. So now from pp print import pp print and I want to print the result. So now just run this. So okay. So the the list length is 0 because I don't have any query till now. So if you have any query, then just put it. So at first I put the query Kolkata like new town, comma, Kolkata, comma, West Bengal. Okay, so this is the West Bengal is in India. Obviously, if you know it, then it's good. So now I have the query of the location Newtown. This is the location name, and this is the district, and this is the state West Bengal, and the country is India. So you can see the all details here. So the length of this query is 1. You can see also length alien. So I just check the length of this query of this result actually, and length is 2. Now, so I just want to get some data. So at first I just remove just comment out and just remove the main function here and take normal print. Latitude is latitude of the location. Latitude of the location is how can you get the latitude? So just type result and then just indexing 0, and it is a two length first and second. So result 0. I will show you, just let me write it, and just before that I just run at first and where it is the latitude. So yes, component, yes, in the inside the geometry you can see this geometry. Okay, so this is the geometry. This is the result 0. This pool is result 0, result indexing 0, and the inside this is a geometry. Just type here nothing but geometry. You can see it GEOMETRY, geometry. And inside the geometry, I want to get the value of LAT. So here just type LAT and just copy it. And also I want to get the value of LNG, longitude LNG. So yes, I can get the value. Also, you can see a lot of things in component. So it is a geometry, the formatted Kolkata India confidence. So inside the component and longitude LONG. Okay, so now I just want to print the state code, town, and country. So for this, print state code in comma. So just type result and 0, the length, obviously fast indexing 0. And then inside this, here is a component. So just components components. Inside the components, here it is the state code is now obviously in the string stat state underscore code. You can see here code. Okay, this is for the state code. And now I also want to print the country code. So before the country code, I just want to print the state. STAT, state is, you can see the state STAT. So just remove this state. And now just copy it, paste it. And after the state, I want to see the country, COUNTRY, and print. You can also the country 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 code is inside the component. Here it is the country code. Okay, so copy it and the component just paste it. And now copy it. And now here at last print the COUNTRY country inside the component. And now you can also print the continent. here just copy the continent and here just paste it. So continent, paste it. Continent is okay. So country is and continent is that. So you can paste you can get all of this data from the content component. So instead of components, you can see the data of the time zone. You can see the time zone. So I also print the time zone. So time zone, TIMEZONE, time zone is result. So it is inside the time zone instead of component. So just paste it component and now it is a name. Inside the time zone, name is the key and the value is Asia/Calcutta. Okay. So it is a time zone. Now what I can get more and you can get the flag also IN and currency which is important. So now paste and here currency in and while the currency you can see the currency. So instead of time zone just change it to currency and the name is Indian rupee. So name yes don't change it and sub unit is paise and symbol is this. So yes you can get the data also. I just want to sub unit, print the sub unit and now copy this currency sub unit. This so just sub SUBUNIT. Just copy here sub unit and paste it here. Okay, this is the currency sub unit. Now calling code. This is the phone code, mobile code, whatever you call. So now just copy this and paste it. So mobile, MOBILE, mobile or PHO phone code or phone code is instead. I just copy this calling code and instead of currency just paste it calling code and just remove this name and now save it. So if you want to get more data, yeah, it's okay. I don't want any more data from here. So now I can get this all of data. So you can see it. So if I run this before this, I just comment out PPP print. And now, yes. So here time zone the key error TIME joining. I don't think why it's error, so I have to check it. But this is continent is Asia, and you can see it continent components continent, and then I have to type the currency. So the PP prints result. Yeah, time zone TIMEZONE TIMEZONE time zone, and time zone name is dash. So yes, I think okay, I got it. So this time zone inside, I hope so. This is inside the annotation. So that's why it is not working. So yes, the time zone inside the annotation. So just copy this annotation and before the time zone, just paste the annotation and now it is okay, absolutely. So yes, you can see the time zone now. Again, it will the currency is in the annotation and the calling code. I think it will also is in annotation. So just let me correct this. So just copy this key value of the annotation and paste it here after the zero or before the currency and just here also and here also and Just hashtag. Yeah, this is fine. You can see this. The latitude of the location, longitude of the location, state code is as to the state is West Bengal, country code is IN, and country code is IN, and the India, obviously country is India, continent is Asia, time zone is Asia, Kolkata, currency is Indian rupee, the sub unit is Paisa, and mobile order. This. So yes, I go to MAPS map. So I just check another location. Like this is the Bangladesh. So Manik Ganj, Dhaka. Manik. I just copy this location randomly location from the Bangladesh. I don't know about this location. So just BA Bangladesh. Okay. So what I can get from here? It will work or not? Let's see. Okay, so you can see latitude of the location 23 point something, longitude of the location 89 point something, state code is B, and the state is Dhaka division, country code is BD, country is Bangladesh, continent Asia, Asia Dhaka, currency is Bangladeshi Taka, and sub currency is Paisa, mobile number of phone code is 880. So comment below if this is the right. I think this is right 23.83, 89.96 is the latitude and longitude value. Yeah, it's close to this. Yeah, absolutely okay. So I just here. So California, yeah. So friends, so I just copy and click on this. Friends, so California. Okay, so now instead of this, just type the friends, so California. Okay, so I think it will work also. Yes, you can see the latitude, longitude value, and the state code is CA California, and state is California, country code is US, the country is United States, continent is this, and time zone is this, currency is, and currency subunit is cent, and mobile phone code is 1. Yes, this is correct, absolutely correct. So, this is the data, after all, you can get by using the OpenCage geocoditor. I think this video is quite interesting. You can use this and use this API of any of your project. So, and you can also make the website with Python and Django, website in normal JavaScript with HTML, CSS. So you can do it. Just do it. And if you do it, then comment below. So thank you for watching the video. See you again in any interesting video. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Thank you.